Let me show you to do a beautiful PDF presentation. We can click on Export PDF, and automatically the app will start to load the floor plan. Once the floor plan is loaded, you can see immediately your logo will appear here, and you can also change the name. You will see here you have several functions that you can set up. First of all, you have your cover page. Your cover page, where you can drag and drop here an image, could be the interior of the building, could be the outside of the building. Any image really can represent your building, or just leave it blank, and it will be a beautiful white page where you can change the font and settings and name of the project. Once you're here, you can choose to add the statistics. For example, the pie chart. Automatically, you get displayed this information, the pie chart, and all the colors. You can add pages where, for example, you want to add not show the furniture, but you want to add the dimensions. And you can see that immediately you have all the dimensions for every single space, and you can reset the zoom to go back. You can also add another page where, for example, you want to add the area, the zone labels, for example, or the zone name. And you will see that you can also just rename all this information. You can also double click and call it, for example, marketing office. This will be marked, and you can reset the zoom, or you can also add the 3D. Clicking on the 3D will activate and load a 3D model of the floor. Once it's loaded, you will see that you can click and hold and rotate to visualize some specific areas you want on the floor. You can also jump in, double clicking, and visualize how the floor looks like. You can change it to schematic view, for example, in clay model, activate the zone visibility, but also hide the ceiling. These colors will match with the pie chart you have in the other slides. You can also click and hover and go directly to divide this image, this page into 4. This will allow you to actually select multiple views and do different views for each single space. So now I can create a beautiful presentation with different views within the floor. And for example, I can look at and visualize different areas of the building without having to do multiple pages and then export.